Hi everyone, welcome back to Jady Kreativ. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today, I'm sharing 8 sweater hacks to help you fix the fit, restyle your sweaters in simple, beginner-friendly ways. Enjoy the video, and comment below to tell me which idea you liked the most. Let's start with the sleeve hack. So, what do you usually do when a sweater's sleeves are too short? For me, I like to extend them using an extra piece of fabric, and today, I'm using a bit of lace to make it look cute and unique. Pin the back layer in place to keep it from shifting while you sew. And if the sleeves are too long, you can easily shorten them with just a few stitches, and even give them a fresh new look. I am using a V-shaped blanket stitch, and you can easily adjust the shape however you like. Now your sweater sleeve is shorter and looks so much cuter. High turtlenecks can feel tight and hot, and you might want to cut it off. But no need. I'll show you a super easy way to fix it and open up the neckline. First, find the seam that connects the collar and carefully remove the stitching. Then use the same thread to secure the raw edge you just opened. This keeps everything neat and sturdy. If you're enjoying the video so far, feel free to give it a like, it really supports my channel. Thank you so much for watching and being here with me. Tie a small knot on the inside and hide the excess thread. Finally, fold the collar outward and add a button or any little detail you like. And just like that, you've got a cozy knit top with a much more comfortable neckline. Before we jump into the next sweater hacks, I want to share a couple of simple storage tips that help keep your sweaters in good shape and neat. Hopefully these little tricks will be helpful for you. Now let's jump back into today's upgrade and fix tips. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of the good stuff. And if you find these ideas helpful, please give the video a like to support the channel. Thank you so much. With just a basic blanket stitch, this sweater already looks so much fresher. And if you want to explore more variations of the blanket stitch, I also have a full tutorial you can check out. If you're not into the loose, slightly long fit of your sweater anymore, don't toss it out just yet. With just a few simple stitches, you can fix it up in no time. Measure 10 centimeters from the bottom, then another 15 centimeters above that. Now let's start sewing. Always make sure to use a thread that matches your sweater color, and pick a thinner, stronger thread so the seam looks as invisible as possible once you're done. For fabrics that are harder to pull through, you can tighten the thread little by little in short sections. Finish the stitch on the inside and tuck the excess thread away. And just like that, your sweater now has a neatly cinched waist, much more flattering and feminine. Do you want to tighten a V-neck that's too wide? First, measure and mark how much you want to adjust. Then, sew along the marked line as shown in the video, working your stitches upward like little steps. Finish by gently pulling the thread to hide the seam. This invisible stitch is a simple yet powerful way to fix many clothing issues, a must-know for everyone who loves sewing. Thanks for watching. I hope these sweater hacks give you some simple ideas to refresh your clothes and make them fit and look better. If you want more beginner-friendly sewing and styling tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.